And welcome to the 101 Willard Digital Editing Lab. In this video, we'll be going over how to use technology in the room for playing back and displaying media from the two main TVs. The main teaching computer at the end of the third row is connected to the displays in the room. Just sign in and you should be able to play back whatever you want from that Mac to those mirrored displays. If the TVs aren't showing the Mac display, check and make sure the TVs are turned on first. There's a remote for them right by the teaching computer. Then, if they're on, but not displaying the Mac screen, use the source button on the remote to change to HDMI 2. That should display the Mac screen then. If you want to use your laptop or another device you brought into the lab to display from, you can connect that device using the adapter plugged into the back of the main teaching Mac. That adapter has a mini connection and also a standard HDMI connection, so whatever size your device takes, just plug that in. Once plugged in, the display from your device should be mirrored on the TVs. When you're done, unplug the adapter from your device and put it back into the back of the Mac, please and thank you. If using the Mac, remember to log out before leaving the room. Thanks.